All right, so today we're talking about number lines. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
They really miss you guys, just so you know. They're ready for some of y'all to come back. So we're looking at like a whole bunch of games, okay? It's a family play day, all right? And we are going to be using number lines to help us solve for the problems, okay? So on your whiteboards in just a second, not right now, we're going to show the strip diagrams first. And then we're going to show the number lines, okay? If you have your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker out, right now they should be on your desk with the markers closed, okay? All right, so tug of war. The Family Playday Committee knows the tug of war competition will be a big hit. They need to know how many families want to play so they can set up teams. Third grade had 45 families. Fourth grade had 36 families. And fifth grade had 29 families sign up for tug of war. How many families will play tug of war? Okay, so if I'm going through my RAISE model, I've read it one time, right? I'm going to read it one more time. But this time, I'm going to take out the numbers. Okay? The Family Playday Committee knows the tug of war competition will be a big hit. They need to know how many families want to play so they can set up teams. Third grade has some families, fourth grade has some families, and fifth grade has some families. Sign up for tug of war. How many families will play tug of war? So I'm going to analyze the question, and the analyze says label and what are you solving for? So this is where I want you to, let me pull over my hovercam here. Oh, it's already there. Shh. This is where I want you on your whiteboards to draw a box for your strip diagram. Don't make it huge because you're going to need room. Okay. Now, how many grade levels are we looking at? Thank you for raising your hands. Talk loudly. Bella.
We're looking at third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade.
Okay, so you're saying third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade. How many grade levels is that? Third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade. How many is that?
Three.
Three. So we have 3 grade levels that we're looking for. And we want to know how many families have actually signed up. So we need to do what? Are you going to add or subtract to figure this out? Samuel? Add. How do you know that?
Because we're missing the hole, so we have to add.
Yeah, we're missing the hole. So on your strip diagram, we know that we have 3 grade levels, so our parts are split into 3, right? And we know that we're missing the hole. Now I need to know what the 3 parts values are. So we have 45 third grade, 36 fourth grade, and 29 fifth grade. Now, underneath your strip diagram, I want you to draw a number line. Oh, you can't see mine. Underneath, I want you to draw your number line. Do we need to start at 0 on this number line?
No.
Why not? Draven?
Because our number starts at 45.
Well, we have 45, we have 36, and we have 29, right? What do we know about addition? Draven?
That when you're adding, you are looking for the sum.
You're looking for the sum, so you're putting them together. Okay? But when you add, let's say 5 plus 3, do you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3? Or do we go, okay, 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We count on, right? So I'm going to start at 45 because that's that first number up there. So I'm just going to put that one first. 45. Could I start at 36? Yeah. Could I start at 29?
Yes.
Absolutely. But I just chose 45 because that's third grade. And third grade's awesome. Now, I want to add 36. So on a number line, I want you to think. 36 has how many tens? 3. So we're going to hop 1, 2, 3 times. And each hop is going to be 10. What's 45 and 10? We were just to count by 10 starting at 45. Draven?
55.
55. And then, everyone,
65.
65. And then
75.
75. And then I'm going to add, so that was 30. And then I'm going to go 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I know that this was plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Wow, my marker's too thick. 1, plus 1, plus 1. So if I count on from 75 for each one of these ones, watch what I do. 75, 76, I'm tracing it. 77, y'all count. 70, 80, 80, 81 is where I'm stopping. But I still need to add what? I've added 36. Now what do I need to add? Addison?
Hundreds?
No. Look, I have 45. I just added 36. What's left to add? Alex?
2. 22, 29.
29. So here we go. I'm going to erase that. I'm going to hop 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh no. 27, 28, 29. Woo! I went off my board. If for some reason that happens, watch what I'm going to do now. Just make another number line and I start at 81 because that's where my number line stopped. Okay. So then I go 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I know that my big hops, that means I'm skipping 10. My little ones, I'm skipping 1. It's just skip counting. Okay, so I'm at 81, and I need to go up 10. Well, if I count by tens, I know that 60, 70, 80, 90. 61 would be 71, then 81. So what's going to come next? 91, 101. 101. Now I'm going to count by ones. 102, 103, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 110. So my total is
110.
Okay, so I got that by looking at my number line. Now I'm going to line them up and I'm just going to add them like normal. And I want to see if I got the right, if I got the right answer. 45 plus 36 plus 29. I know that 9 and 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus 5 is 20. 0, carry the 2. It was 20. So we carry the 2 into the tens place. Okay? And then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, carry the 1. There's nothing there, so I just drop it down. Did I get the right answer?
Yes.
So how many families are going to be playing tug of war?
110.
110. Not 110. 110. Okay? Cool? All right, y'all say bye.
Bye. What time is it?
I can't